Welcome to Top Cars TV. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 has earned a reputation as one of the most iconic entry points into the world of real American motorcycling. It's the kind of bike that doesn't try too hard to impress because it doesn't need to. One look at its stripped-down silhouette, blacked-out components, and low-slung stance, and you instantly know what it's all about. Raw attitude and pure riding freedom. Whether you're new to cruisers or a seasoned rider looking for something authentic, the Iron 883 is the kind of motorcycle that sticks with you long after the ride ends. What makes the Iron 883 so appealing is its simplicity. It doesn't hide behind fancy electronics or overly complicated technology. At the heart of the machine is the air-cooled 883cc Evolution engine, a power plant with a deep, unmistakable Harley rumble. It delivers just enough punch for city streets and open highways, offering smooth low-end torque and a riding experience that feels connected and alive. Every twist of the throttle reminds you that this bike was built for people who love the road as much as the machine itself. Its design is another reason the Iron 883 has become a fan favorite. Harley Davidson kept things minimal, focusing on dark finishes, classic lines, and a muscular stance. The slammed suspension and low seat height give it an aggressive look, while also making it accessible for riders of different sizes. The drag-style handlebars and mid-controls create a balanced riding position that feels natural whether you're cruising at 40 miles per hour or pushing higher speeds on the freeway. It's the perfect blend of old-school styling and modern reliability. The Iron 883 is also known for being highly customizable. Riders love it because it acts like a blank canvas ready for personal touches. From custom exhausts and seats to bars, lighting, and paint, this bike can easily be transformed into a cafe racer, bobber, or something entirely unique. Harley's vast aftermarket world ensures you'll never run out of options. For many, the Iron 883 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a long-term project and a form of self-expression. Out on the road, the bike feels nimble in the city and steady on long stretches. It's not the most powerful machine in Harley's lineup, but it wasn't meant to be. Instead, it delivers an honest riding experience here. No frills, no distractions, just you and the open road. The suspension is firm, the handling is predictable, and the overall feel is confidence-inspiring. Its compact size makes it great for navigating traffic, and its classic cruiser presence ensures you're noticed wherever you go. In the end, the Harley Davidson Iron 883 stands as a symbol of timeless motorcycling. It's the perfect gateway into the Harley lifestyle, offering style, attitude, and heritage without overwhelming the rider. Many bikes come and go, but the Iron 883 remains a beloved favorite because it captures what riding is all about: freedom, individuality, and the thrill of the journey. For anyone looking to start their Harley story, the Iron 883 is a legendary place to begin.